Question 3. Show that 5 2/3 take away 3 4/5 equals or becomes 1 13/15. So first thing we're dealing with here is mixed numbers. We do not want mixed numbers ever, basically, other than obviously we need to make sure that our answer is a mixed number. But in terms of all the sums that we're going to be doing here, we want improper fractions. So the first thing I'm going to do is turn both of these mixed numbers into improper fractions. We have 5 wholes with 2/3 left over, which will give us 5 lots of 3 for our 5 wholes, with a 2 spare, giving us 17/3. For our 3 4/5, we're going to have 3 lots of 5 for the wholes, plus a 4 spare fifths, and that's going to give us 19/5. We have a takeaway sum in between them. I don't write anything to the right here because that 1 13/5 is what we need to end up with. We don't use it along the way. So what I have to deal with is this here, subtraction of fractions. You can only subtract fractions if they are the same type. So we need to make a common denominator. Common denominator of 3 and 5 is 15. Lowest common multiple is 15. Meaning I'm going to have to multiply top and bottom of this fraction by 5 in order to turn that 3 into a 15. And I must do the same to the top. So 5 times 17 is going to give us 85. And in the other one, 5 must be multiplied by 3 in order to turn into 15. So I do the same with the 19, giving me 57. Now I can subtract these away from each other. I'm going to end up with 28/15, 28/15. And then we're only one step away because we have to show our answer as 1 13/15, which, just for the record, if we take one whole out of these 28, then we'd be subtracting 15/15 from that, leaving us with 13, which is where our 1 13/15 left over comes from. Done.